Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steve's Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter Plant Growth and Development. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see a first question. Foolish seedling disease of rice led to the discovery of option A gibberellic acid, option B abscisic acid, option C 2,4-D, option D indole acetic acid. Foolish seedling disease or Bacchini disease is a disease of rice seedlings which was caused by a fungal pathogen. Reported the appearance of symptoms of the disease in uninfected rice seedlings when they were treated with the sterile filtrates of the fungus. The active substances were later identified as gibberellic acid. Thus, the correct answer is option A, that is gibberellic acid. Okay, let's see our next question. The wavelength of light absorbed by PR form of phytocrime is option A 640 nanometer, option B 680 nanometer, option C 720 nanometer, option D 620 nanometer. Light acts as a signal to initiate and regulate photoperiodism and photomorphogenesis. There are two light sensing systems involved in these responses, the blue light sensitive system and the red light sensitive system or phytocrime system. The action spectrum of the light needed for PR responses is about 680 nanometer. So the correct answer is B. Okay, next question. Cell elongation in internodal regions of green plants takes place due to option A indole acetic acid, option B cytokinins, option C gibberellins, option D ethylene. Gibberellins are growth hormones that stimulate cell elongation and cause plants to grow taller. Gibberellins also have a role in other processes in plants including cell elongation, germination, flowering and fruit ripening. So the right option for this question is C, that is gibberellins is the right answer. Okay, let's see our next question. How does pruning help in making the heads dense? Option A, it frees axillary buds from apical dominance. Option B, the apical shoot grows faster after pruning. Option C, it releases wound hormones. Option D, it induces the differentiation of new shoots from the rootstock. Pruning is the cutting of the shoot tip and plants. This is done to keep the edges and bushes bushy. It acts by the suppression of apical dominance shown by the tip of the plants but promotes axillary growth, maxing the heads dense. So the right option is A. It frees axillary buds from apical dominance. Okay, next question. Treatment of seed at low temperature and at moist conditions to break its dormancy is called option A vernalization, option B chelation, option C stratification, option D scarification. Option C stratification is the right answer. Okay, next question. Coiling of garden pea tendrils around any support is an example of option A thigmotaxis, option B thigmonastry, option C thigmotrophism, option D thermotaxis. Thigmotrophism is the directional response of a plant in response to the stimulus. Basically, it means that the plant alters its direction of growth movement by the result of external support. Coiling of garden pea tendrils around any external support is an example of thigmotrophism. So the correct answer is option C. Okay, next question. Opening of floral buds into flowers is a type of option A autonomic movement of locomotion, option B autonomic movement of variation, option C paratonic movement of growth, option D autonomic movement of growth. Movements which occur due to factors inherent inside the plant body itself is called as autonomic or spontaneous movements. Opening of floral buds to flowers is a type of autonomic movement of growth. So the right answer for this question is option D, autonomic movement of growth. Okay, let's see our next question. One of the synthetic auxin is option A naphthalene acetic acid, option B indole acetic acid, option C gibberellic acid, option B D IBA. And naphthalene acetic acid is a synthetic plant hormone in the Auxin family and is an ingredient in many commercial plant rooting horticulture products. It is a rooting agent and used for vegetative propagation of plants from stems and leaf cutting. It is also used for plant tissue culture. The hormone NAA does not occur naturally and like all auxins is toxic to plant at high concentrations. NAA is widely used in agriculture purposes. It is considered to be only slightly toxic, but when at high concentration it can be toxic to animals. And the right option is A, naphthalene acetic acid. Okay, next question. Which one of the following plant growth regulators known as stress hormone? Option A, abscisic acid. Option B, ethylene. Option C, GA3. Option D, indole acetic acid. Indole acetic acid is a phytohormone. It is also called as stress hormone because it protects plants against stress conditions by generating responses in plants. Example, stomata closes during water stress due to abscisic acid. Thus, the correct option is A, that is abscisic acid. Okay, let's see our next question. Phototrophic curvature is the result of uneven distribution of option A, gibberellin, option B, phytochrome, option C, cytokinins, option D, auxin. Auxin is a plant hormone which has several functions in plant life. It is responsible for cell elongation, cell multiplication, apical dominance, and even phototactic movement. Thus, the uneven distribution of auxin hormone can cause phototropic curvature. It was confirmed by the bioassay of Avena coleoptile curvature test. So, the correct answer is option D, auxin. Okay. So, that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you.